In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your YouTube banner or your channel art. So first of all, we need to go to YouTube. So I'm just going to tap in YouTube and I'm going to get straight to my channel because I'm already logged in. And this up here is my YouTube banner. So it's very similar to the ones you will have in Twitter, on Facebook, or even possibly your website. And what we are trying to do here is to create recognition of our brand. So you can see here that I've got my Vlog Academy logo loud and clear here. I've got another post with the Vlog Academy and the website, an email address, and underneath it says video training, seminars, beginners courses, and filming for business. So when someone who hasn't been to my channel before lands here, they know immediately who it belongs to and what we do. And that's what you want to do. So my banner has been created in Photoshop. So I've put the text and the logo in a Photoshop document that I then uploaded to my channel. But if you're not used to working in Photoshop or other advanced design programs, there is an easy way out for you. And I'm going to show you how you can do that through a place called Canva. So it's canva.com. So you just go to Canva, you create a free account, and then it gives you preset documents. And there is one called YouTube channel art. So this makes it really easy for you to create your own design. And then you can go down here and see that they got loads of social media and email headers. So you could do a Facebook event cover, YouTube thumbnails, which we're going to work with later on in the course. And here you got the YouTube channel art. So if you click on that, you'll see that there are loads of templates already that you could just pick and choose from. Or you can upload your own image and choose something from your computer, or you can combine and merge already available text with a plain background or with an image that they offer to you as a background. So you can work with loads of different ways here to create your channel art, and then you just save it and download it to your computer. And then when you've got it on your computer, you can upload it to your channel. And this is how we customize the channel banner. So you go to this big blue button, customize channel. And when I click here, you will get the options up here in a tiny little pen image thumbnail up on the right hand, in the right hand corner. First one says edit links, but we're going to skip that because you can't actually do that anymore. YouTube has changed this recently, and it's only when you have a larger channel with lots of views and subscribers you can edit links. And this is again to protect YouTube's own advertisers. So we're going to skip that for now, and we're going to edit your channel art. And this is where you can select your photo from your computer and just upload the file you saved from Canva. When you have uploaded your image, you will see here that YouTube senses how it's going to fit in on different devices. So this style is going to work on the desktop, on a TV, and this is how it's going to look on a mobile phone. That is why your positioning of your document needs to be quite centered, but by trial and error sometimes you can figure out what works best for these different devices. Because if you make it cover the whole page, then it's not going to look right on, for example, a mobile phone. So I hope this is helpful, and if you have any questions, as always, just give me a buzz or ask in the group, because there will be more people with the same questions that you have. Bye for now.